Sean from KVS Travel. I'm not sure if I said that too early. Sean from KVS Travel. We're at Excellence El Carmen. We're going to show you a Excellence Club honeymoon suite, oceanfront, 2-story with a plunge pool and a huge sun deck. Yeah? So right here, room number 5172, Excellence El Carmen, Punta Cana. Make sure you book this with KVS Travel. Right. So naturally they have this little lock here. That's this little secret door for if you have room service, you don't want people bothering you. And I do this in all my videos, so I'm sure you guys seen it if you guys look up your first one. And then you don't want to be bothered with any kind of exchange in anything that you're asking for, dirty dishes. You put it in here, close the door, it's locked, the lock's out there, go. Bathroom. Modern, cool, hip. How about a nice black granite slanted sink? How cool is that? Since it's Excellence Club, you get Bulgari products. So if you're picky about your products, Bulgari should be pretty good for you. It's got everything, and even if you forget a toothbrush and all, you get a nice little kit. Black marble granite, I believe it is. It's got a rain shower plate. Handheld. Got a scale, slippers, robe, toilet room, water room, bathroom, toilet, all private, frosted glass. Privacy, plenty of storage space. Here. Your safe, your robe, your umbrella. Shoe shine box. Put your shoes in there if you want them shined, they'll take care of it. Shelves, a steamer, iron. It's a nice feature.
Got your beach bag.
Beach bag, yeah. Once again, I'm going to review that Excellence El Carmen has a fantastic spa and a fantastic gym. Now that's not all included, the gym is. The spa is not, but it is amazing. It's one of the best ones we've ever seen. Digital temperature gauge, big bedroom. It goes into 2 rooms so you can separate yourself if somebody's having a nap. Workstation, big mirror, king size bed, and tables, flat screen for the bedroom. You get with Excellence Club, you get a nice little, your lovely lady will get a nice little makeup bag, cosmetic bag, glass bag. You open this up, it opens up into a living area with a nice sofa and an orange and cream chair. With Excellence Club, you get the upper end liquor. Bombay Sapphire Gin, and you know the best Dominican rum, Absolute Vodka, and Johnny Black, Nespresso, and you get your stocked bar. So here, since you're Excellence Club, you're gonna get water, you're gonna get snacks, Oreos, some peanuts, I think I have peanuts, Frutos, it's corn, it's a corn snack. You get Clamato, which is really nice. It's like a V8, but I think it's a little better. Heineken's, Coors Light, El Presidente, Coke. This is Diet Coke in a plastic. The Coke, Fanta, and I think there should be a Sprite in there. If not, I'm sure they'll get it for you. They come in glass bottle, and I believe they're made with real sugar down here, which is another plus. They don't use high fructose. Syrup, excuse me. Another TV, more storage, more desk area. Fresh flowers, you're gonna get a welcome amenity letter. A robotic type light that looks like a straw man. Let's go out to the patio here.
There's your view.
Ocean front. Remember we told you ocean front.
And pool view and beach.
So below you are swim up, Excellence Club swim up suites, ocean front. That's the swim up bar to your left, you hear? That's the food. There's a food and drink right out there, right on the beach. Also, I didn't show you, you got a little nook here for chilling out.
Ah, look at this.
And inside, you have your own little private jacuzzi. Inside, you can close this if you want total privacy, which you have already. So here, he's gonna open it up, right here. So if you don't want anybody to see what you're doing in there, close it up. That's a really nice thing. Table, chair for morning coffee. But let's go upstairs, 'cause that's where it's at. Up. Top of the world! You made it. Outside shower. Your own private plunge pool. How great is that? Own private plunge pool on top of the world, and this is your view. Your view for as long as you book it. What do you think, everybody?
I like it.
Perfect for a honeymoon, an anniversary, or just a vacation that you want to get away from the hectic work week. I mean, people work so hard. This is, you want to just splurge and treat your wife or husband to the best, or your partner, or your fiance, whatever. This is about as good as it gets. Excellence is just fantastic. Their food is top notch. Best in the all-inclusive business. We've seen and did most of the quality ones. Food is great, the service is great, and with Excellence Club you get all the amenities and everything we went over with liquor. You get access only for Excellence Club over here, this whole area. So Excellence Club is closer to the beach. This whole area is for Excellence Club. So let me tell you about KVS Travel. Best customer service in the industry, I promise you that, because I respond. I give you my cell phone, you can text me, call me, you're never a pest. When you book with us 5 nights or more at this resort, you get $25 or $50 off. Depending on room category, you would get $50 off booking this room. Plus you would get gift when you come back with a coffee, gift card for coffee. When you come back, a thank you for your business. And when you refer people and they book with us, you get $25 for each new referral you give to us that books. That's unlimited. So you can bring me everybody. We take care of them like family. We'll treat you like you deserve to be treated. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe most definitely to our KVS Travel YouTube channel. There's no reason to go anywhere else. We charge no fees. KVS Travel. Look forward to booking you this wonderful room. It doesn't get much better.